because my joints hurt a little bit now. What the heck is happening to me? Hey you guys, it's me, Kai. I am a cosmetic science student. I am a wife. I'm a mama. I'm your new BFF. I am the everything behind Bath Time Bakery. So with introductions out of the way, let's go ahead and get into this video. And I know that the title implies, suggests, don't know what the title is yet, something along the lines of what is Project Skincare BTB. And so I think for me to talk about that, I need to start off first with my relationship with skincare, so you guys can understand a little bit more about my background and the why behind the project, y'all. So what I can tell you is, to date, I have acne-prone skin, I have oily skin, I have severely hyperpigmented skin, and so it has been over half my life. But in addition to that, now that I am 35 plus years old, 38 years young to be specific, I also have mature skin. And so I have a unique set of needs that I'm looking to take care of and address. On the acne side, I'm looking for something to help, put the kibosh on excessive sebum production. And my hope with that need, or to address that, is that with the reduction in excess sebum, that my pores aren't always working on overdrive to release the oils, right? And remain big, but also to help reduce the breakouts. And this is all on a topical level, you guys. I'm not talking about the foods that we're putting in our body, the environmental influences that can contribute, right, to our skin situation, okay? If I can reduce the acne, reduce the breakouts, the hyperpigmentation, in due time will it resolve itself. But what can I do, if anything at all, to help speed up the process? Because quite honestly, hyperpigmentation stinks and nobody wants to deal with it anymore. You guys, this is over half my life. Hello, okay? So on the anti-aging side of things, the mature skin, right? When you have mature skin, you're looking for anti-aging products. What I want to say is anti-aging means what it means, but it does have a negative connotation associated with aging. What I'm looking for are products that will help me age as gracefully as possible. In my family, specifically with the women, men don't live too long in my family, y'all. So in my family with the women, they're all beautiful. The older women, beautiful all white hair, beautiful even complexion. I have seen aging gracefully all my life in my family. And I know that that's a thing. And so I really, I want to remove the stigma associated with aging. It happens, we're aging as we speak. You know what I mean? Every second we're closer to death. Grim, true. True. Okay? So let's age gracefully and let's enjoy it. So as best as we can, right? There doesn't have to be one product that addresses everything that I'm just talking about, but it would sure be nice. And that's what I want to do. And it's not to say that there aren't products currently on the market, you guys, that can take care of this. They're just not marketed that way. You feel me? So that's what I want Project Skincare BTB to be all about. I want to document my journey as a cosmetic science student in creating these products. And it's not just going to be towards acne-prone mature skin. It will also, I will create things for different skin types, sensitive skin types, dry skin types. And I'm very curious to see how my formulations develop as I progress in school. It's a very rigorous program. I'm so happy to be a part of it. I have a business degree, you guys, business management degree, you guys, and now I'm in cosmetic science program. And I went back to school at 37 years of age. So if you are under the age of 123, it is never too late to go back to school. Let's put that out there. Hello. Okay. So here I am, you guys. Me, my quirky self, my oddities and all of that jazz, and my love and passion for creating high quality things is going to continue, and it's only going to get better with my education, with experience, with research. And I think something that's so important that I want you guys to know, Bath Time Bakery wouldn't even be where it is if it wasn't for you. I never planned on being an entrepreneur, and in part it's because I didn't have the confidence in myself. Bath Time Bakery, and when I say Bath Time Bakery, your support in Bath Time Bakery has given me confidence. Every wonderful review, every feedback that I get from you guys about how you love my program, it's like it's such a good feeling because Bath Time Bakery is an extension of myself, which is why I was so gun shy to come out there in the first place. Not to say that I'm without flaw, that I haven't had hiccups, but what I appreciate is the love and continuous support that I get from you guys, to the point now where I have to say thank you to you because I have confidence in going back to school. If it wasn't for my drive and being supported by you, I would have quit after the first semester because that was so hard. But here I am, my second semester, you guys, so far. We're almost done. A's. 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 Okay? So anyway, Project BTB is to document my journey, but it is to also interact with you. I want you guys every step along the way with me. If there are ingredients that you're interested in, if there are needs that you're interested in, I'm not guaranteeing I'm going to jump on it tomorrow because I'm in a very time-consuming, rigorous program. But it's something that I will take to heart and keep in mind. I'm not going to get emotional on here, but the business world can be harsh, but I don't know. I'm just thankful for you guys. Let me just put it that way. Thank you so much. So I got so sidetracked. I hope I remembered everything that it is that I wanted to share with you guys, what I wanted to talk about. But that's what Project Skincare BTB is. And the last thing that I'll say, there's a lot of confidence behind research. So I'm spending a lot of time doing research. But also, the more research I do, the more I realize that I'm not finding all of the things that I'm looking for. Part of it is the research isn't there, or the answers have not yet been uncovered. And one of the cool things though is, for example, maybe we might not know, we know niacinamide, vitamin B3. We know it works, you guys, right? We know it helps even out skin tone. It can help close pores, or not close pores. It can help shrink pores. It can do a lot of other things, even help support moisture retention of the skin. We know through research that vitamin B3, niacinamide works, or niacinamide, whatever. We know that it works. But do you know, we still don't know fully on a molecular level how it works. We just know that it works. It's like when you talk to your African grandma. Grandma, why do you use shea butter from head to toe? What will she tell you? Because it works. Because that's what we do, right? We might not know why, but we know it works. So that's the fascinating thing about, science as I'm starting to dig into these things. There's so much unknown, so much more to be unearthed and uncovered. And I bet you science in 20 years in terms of skincare stuff is going to be so much different. So that's kind of cool. I'm excited to learn about that. But my goodness, it takes me about 10 hours to get through one article because I have to Google every other word. At some point, I'm hoping very soon, I'll connect the dots where I don't have to spend so much time researching everything. But that's where I'm at for right now. So you guys, in the meantime, I did not even introduce Bath Time Bakery as a brand to you. So I'm going to record that part right now, insert it somewhere, and then keep on going here. But you guys, so real quick, just so you know what Bath Time Bakery is, who we are, what we do. Bath Time Bakery is a clean beauty brand. And it's a clean beauty brand where I specialize in making handmade bath, body, skincare, and candle products inspired by all things sweet, like your favorite desserts, and the beautiful Southwest. And I believe in the power of active ingredients. I also believe in the power of traditional kind of remedies. I'm West African. So that's where handmade, traditionalism, and science, it's the corner of the earth where all three of those awesome things meet to create something really fun and lighthearted but good for you. We don't use phthalates, I don't use parabens, everything is cruelty-free. I'm not a vegan brand, but I will tell you 99, I think all but 2 things that I make are, everything except 2 products that I have right now are vegan. And so that's what we do. I believe in active ingredients, so you'll be seeing more and more active ingredients as time progresses. And the reason why I want to use targeted active ingredients is so that I can guarantee some level of deliverables or help set some confident expectations to what the product is supposed to do. Everything with skincare is patience, so be patient with me. But in the meantime, what I can tell you, my bath bombs are the bomb. They're bubbly. Your skin feels great after you use them. I think I've covered it. I think I've covered everything that I wanted to with you in talking about Project Skincare BTB. I look forward to growing alongside you guys. I look forward to sharing my journey. In terms of commitment, I plan on posting a video once every 3 to 4 weeks on here with regards to Project Skincare BTB. I also will be doing blog updates at bathtimebakery.com. If you want to find me more readily, like every week with regards to an update, you can. And that's at Bathtime Bakery on Instagram. And there is a story highlighted. It's the first story you'll see there. It's called Project Skincare BTB. And also hit me up on Facebook. So really find me everywhere you can. I'm on Pinterest. I don't know how to use it, but I'm there as well. And TikTok as well. So you guys, let's do this. Let me know what you want to see. Share some feedback with me. And that's it. That I'm gonna stop right here. All right, you guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.